Hi guys, I'm here at my hotel room in Hong Kong for a lecture I gave at the one of the world's biggest photo clubs, and here's how I got here. Game day. So my crew is taking me to the airport. Let's load up. This one's pretty heavy. They're gonna give me problems at the airport. We'll see. On our way to the airport. My crew is taking me. Here's chief crew. Så hej. Hva ser du godt? Hello. Crew is tired. She make me feel alive. Make me feel alive. She make me feel alright. She makes me. So here we are at the airport. If you ever come to Iceland, this is your point of entry. Checked in, had a 3 extra kilos in my check-in luggage. $100. I love how in every airport in the world they make you walk through the liquor store, you know, and the duty-free shop, you know, because I really don't need anything. But if I, you know, see, for example, this booze, and I realize, hey, I don't have booze, you know. It's very convenient. Boarding the plane now like an hour before departure, that has to be some kind of record. You know, I guess they're in a hurry. That's good. Morning. And I got a window seat actually. I never asked for that, but it's nice for the video. I feel I'm down for anything you have in mind. Oh, I like the way you keep on riding right beside me. The way our body moves, it feels like one. The night is over, we don't have to say goodbye, boy. Here's a number to myself so you can find me. 771-4243. You can call me anytime like you want. So just take my hand and hold me closer now. I finally found which gate I need. It's a huge airport. This is London Heathrow. It's massive, and this is just one terminal. A lot of walking, 50 escalators, and 2 trains within the same terminal. I'm finally at my gate, you know, and just in a nick of time, really. It's about 20 minutes until the gate closes. So I managed to get a coffee and a water, well deserved. I'll just eat on the plane. You know. Yeah, there was some problems when we landed. I'm not, you know, sure why exactly. It was because of the luggage thingy was broken, and that's why we couldn't, you know, get to the terminal, get to the ramp. And when that was fixed, the ramp actually was broken also. So we had to wait for a stair, and we stayed on the airway, on the airstrip for about an hour and a half. So that's why it's, you know, I'm a little late and everything now. It doesn't bother me that much, you know, because, you know, I had enough time. I'm not missing my flight or anything like that. Only thing that concerns me is, you know, I had to check in my luggage in Reykjavik. transit through London and then go to Hong Kong, but my luggage was checked in all the way to Hong Kong. And if there's some issue with the luggage thingy, I will be. Let's say I will be glad when I see my suitcase. Extra weight. I had 3 extra kilos in my check-in bag, check-in suitcase. It's $100. Thought it was a bit too much, but I'm not gonna be make an issue out of that. I'm just gonna say to British Airways, take that $100, use it to fix your stuff. This is actually a nice plane. It's look at that. I'm a pretty big guy. I can move my legs. And there's a crying baby at the next row. We'll see how that works out. But so it's dinner time. Having chicken, and it doesn't look that bad. Since we're on a Hong Kong plane, we eat chopsticks. We even got desserts, like this chocolate thing. We've been flying now for about 10 hours and we've got about 1.5 hours left. So far it's been okay. It's a long flight, but it's time for breakfast now. And I got English breakfast. Yeah, at least I got coffee. So I have arrived to Hong Kong International Airport, and now to see if they will let me into the country and and check if I got my suitcase. Remember the suitcase thing at London Heathrow? It's exciting. It's exciting enough when you have a transit and your suitcase is checked in all the way, to see if it gets there. Now with the added problem with the suitcase thingy, the luggage thingy that was broken at the airport, we'll see. Okay, moment of truth. Seeing if my suitcase is arriving. Yes! Look at that! I'm happy. I'm so happy now. Welcome to Hong Kong, suitcase. She's my friend. So I managed to find an octopus card. I was told that was absolutely necessary to do that while in Hong Kong. It gives you access to all public transports. So I got that. I'm on the train going to Hong Kong City. So I found a taxi to take me to the hotel. Apparently it matters what color taxi you take. It looks like the most common one I read. It's something about the area which they drive in. You just cannot take any taxi. So at the hotel, I didn't exactly spring for a room with a view, but for an Icelandic guy, it's interesting.